Hello, my name is Brad Vaughn, Manager of Rydell Collision Center. Today I'd like to introduce our new photo estimating program. But first I'd like to briefly show our new office and introduce our staff. Up front, we got Courtney. In the middle, we have Kaylee, our estimator. In the far back there, we got Mark, and he's our assistant manager. Also, I'd like to take a brief moment to thank the Cedar Valley for nominating us 2019 Best of the Best. With that being said, we will go ahead and get going with our photo estimating program. Okay, now let's get back to this new photo estimating program. The reason we came out with this is to make the process much easier for the customer. You can do this from the comfort of your own home, and the process only takes 3 minutes or so. In the next video we're going to show you, it's going to be start to finish on how easy this process is. So with that being said, we'll get going with the video right after this. But I'd like to thank you guys, and God bless.